Today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my new favorite chia pudding recipes for breakfast or a snack if you feel like it. Peanut butter and berry chia pudding. If you don't have jam, well, this recipe's for you. I didn't have jam when I made this and I figured I need to show you guys how to make this super lazy take on peanut butter and jam chia pudding. So you only need a few very simple ingredients. Only takes 5 minutes to whip up and soak it in the fridge for 30 minutes and you have a delicious energy boosting, fiber packed, healthy breakfast that will keep you full until lunchtime. So let's get right into it. Delicious, am I right? Like, I have been eating this almost every single day. And I have another really quick and easy chia pudding recipe in this video up here, which is my latest 5-minute, 5-ingredient breakfast idea video for you guys. It's a delicious mocha chia pudding recipe that I know you guys will like. Make sure you like this video and subscribe below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in a future or past video.